Okay, recently I haven't done many videos because I've been like doing schoolwork and other things that are more important, and just like busy really. But I still have things on the side like that I'm doing. Like I've got this Peltier module. This is the I've always I've been since I've seen one on someone using one on YouTube. I've been like, that is pretty cool, and finally got round to getting one. And this is a 6 amp one, so max current that can go through is 6 amps. I've got the meter hooked up, that's measuring amps, and inside this box is a switch mode power supply that gives out 12 volts. It's powering the fan and then powering that through the meter, so you can see how much current it's drawing. I want to point out when you put a thermal load on there, the current increases. So right now the temperatures is just the same, it's just both room temperature. As soon as I turn this on, it's going to start trying to shift the heat from here, which is getting really cold really fast already, putting it through to the heat sink, and then the fan's taking that heat away. This current is going down as that temperature here gets lower and lower. Eventually, if I keep my finger on here, I can't really hold down there for any longer, it's so cold. But if I've got thermal compound on the back at the moment, I'm going making this video before I take this off and then drill some holes in there, because I've got another one of these heat sinks with those 2 holes in it for mounting some TO247 MOSFETs on there, like RFP 260s or something. And hopefully I'll build, I'll put them in parallel. I think I'll build a half bridge, so there'll be 2 in parallel on this heatsink and 2 in parallel on that heatsink over there. And yeah, just any MOSFET that can be parallel. You can see the current still going down, or is it idling now? I think it's idling. I think it's reached its temperature that you might be able to see there's a lot of frost on there. It's like sparkling. It's going to be cold, but you could see how the moisture is like get from the air. You can see like I've made a mark on my finger there because the rest of it's covered in frost. Ow! Actually, that didn't know, it's just like sticks to it because it's really cold. That's really strange. You might be able to see that. Well, that's just collecting moisture from the air and freezing it to there. I'm just going to get this pipette and I'm going to put a droplet of water on there. That's probably freezing pretty fast. Oh. It spreads out very quickly. Maybe it's because there's the ice crystals in there already. That sucks that it's spreading out. I'll clean this bit off. The heatsink is getting very hot, or warm, getting quite warm. Okay, so I'll just put that there. Hopefully that blob will stay there. There we go, it's frozen already. It'll start freezing. So there's a bit of ice. Now that other ice is just stuck to there. And when I'm going to turn it off now. Okay, current. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hand on there, and because it's going to be putting a load on it, thermal load, I feel it cold from that. because it's going to be putting a thermal load on that, it's going to increase the current. Really, putting my hand on it, increasing the current very slightly. I'll put more of a hand on it. There we go. Current's going up to 4.5 amps almost now. Ooh, that's very cold. And I take my hand off, the current goes down again. But it's still ice on there. So I'm going to turn it off, and then the heat from this heatsink, which is fairly warm, it's going up quite a lot of warm air there. It'll go back through and it'll melt the ice that's on there. Now you can see that you can clearly see the writing a bit better. And now it's just a puddle of water. So yeah. Peltier modules are pretty cool. If you have one in your hand and you just like power it off with like a 18650 lithium battery, you can just hold it in one hand and you could like that, and it's really strange when you first hold it and then have it and then power it up with a low power like one of them, because like you can feel it's getting warm on one side and cold on the other side. It's a really strange feeling. But anyway, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Might not be able to put so many videos out, but yeah. Alright, see you in the next video.